take a short video of my 1955 Ford Thunderbird Sky-View hardtop, which has the transparent plexiglass roof panel in it. It will have a Sky-View, gold Sky-View script badge on the side next to the Ford Crest. It's being cast in bronze now and will be gold plated. And anyway, we just today cut out the top and installed the molded plexiglass with a trim that is same trim that's on the rear window to give it a factory look. If Ford would have produced this, which they did make for the 54 through 56 Mercury Sun Valley and Ford Skyliner. But anyway, it's a teal color, which is somewhat similar to what they had on the Skyliner and Mercury Sun Valley. And, I was not able to set it on the car today because I didn't have any help to see how it would look. But you can see it covers pretty much the whole top. Of course, we still have the dome lights to put in, and a custom headliner, and a locking strip for the molding for the plexiglass, and a rear stiffener piece that it'll need behind the rear portion of the glass top. But anyway, it should look pretty cool. And then I'll have a snap-in cover for days when it's really hot. Although this only lets through about 77% of the light, so it does have some sun blockage. As compared to with no top on it, just a convertible has you get 100% of the sun. So there's some reduction in it. Anyway, it should look cool when it's done. Of course, the top needs to be, the black paint needs to be, and the fiberglass needs to be repaired and needs to be painted. And it needs all new rubber molding. So a long way to go, but made considerable progress. And this is the part that was cut out. And there's the top bows right here. And it's about an eighth inch thick or so. That's the top piece that was liberated from the top. And that's the car that it goes on right there. So anyway, there we go. My Sky-View factory looking top.